Open your kitchen cabinet. Look at the oils you use daily: olive oil, coconut oil, vegetable oil, and then consider avocado oil. In recent years, it has quietly risen in popularity, moving from niche health food stores onto mainstream shelves worldwide. Think about its rising status. You see it in recipe videos, beauty blogs, and nutrition discussions. Now ask yourself, how much do you really know about this oil and its health benefits? Does it make you wonder why avocado oil is gaining so much attention lately, often touted as a superfood? Why does this oil still seem expensive compared to everyday cooking oils, even though many praise it for a wide range of health perks? Why is avocado oil not only becoming a staple in kitchen recipes, but also in beauty routines and natural wellness circles alike? Why do some scientific studies confidently declare its heart-healthy qualities, while others suggest caution or call for more research? And why, amid all the hype and buzz, do many people still question if it's truly worth the switch from their current oil? These aren't just surface-level questions. They reflect important curiosities as more and more people explore how avocado oil fits into daily life, health, and wellness. Over the next several minutes, we'll take a deep dive into avocado oil's history, scientific insights, and most crucially, the real effects it has on human health, and bring clarity to it all with evidence-based answers. The popularity of avocado oil is booming globally, praised for benefits that span heart health, skincare, and anti-inflammatory properties. But it's essential to go beyond buzzwords and marketing claims. Understanding the science behind these benefits, how avocado oil interacts with the body, what the potential pitfalls are, and how to integrate it wisely into your diet and lifestyle is key to making informed decisions. Today, we'll unpack why avocado oil deserves its growing reputation, what current research really says, and how you can use it in the smartest way possible to support your health. Heart health, a healthy fat source? Let's begin with the most talked about benefit of avocado oil: heart health. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, the same healthy fat predominantly found in olive oil. Monounsaturated fats have long been linked to beneficial effects on cholesterol levels, specifically lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol associated with artery plaque buildup, and raising HDL, the good cholesterol that helps remove LDL from the bloodstream. Many studies associate diets rich in monounsaturated fats with a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. Research comparing avocado oil to other fats has shown that replacing saturated fats common in butter and many animal products with monounsaturated fats can reduce cardiovascular risk. Additionally, avocado oil contains phytosterols, natural compounds believed to further support cholesterol balance. However, the health impact depends critically on the quality of the oil and how it's utilized. Cold-pressed, extra virgin avocado oil retains most of its nutrients and antioxidants. In contrast, heavily refined or heat-processed oils lose many beneficial compounds and may generate unhealthy oxidation products. So the key here isn't simply swapping one fat for another, but achieving balance in oil consumption while prioritizing quality to optimize heart health. Avocado oil can be a delicious and nutritious part of such a balanced approach. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory effects. Moving beyond fats, why might avocado oil also be praised for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects? Avocado oil naturally contains powerful antioxidants like vitamin E and lutein. These compounds protect cells from oxidative stress, a process that damages cells and contributes to aging and many chronic diseases, including diabetes, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Vitamin E also supports skin health and immunity. Moreover, avocado oil's anti-inflammatory properties might help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Some studies suggest that compounds in avocado oil can reduce inflammatory markers in the body, potentially easing joint discomfort and promoting overall wellness. That said, it's important to note the extent and consistency of these effects can vary depending on how much avocado oil one consumes, individual health differences, and whether the oil is part of a broader nutrient-dense diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole foods. Skin and hair benefits, more than just cooking. Why has avocado oil surged in popularity not only as a kitchen staple, but also within skincare and hair care communities? Avocado oil is naturally rich in fatty acids, vitamins E, D, and A, and antioxidants, making it deeply moisturizing and nourishing for skin. It promotes collagen synthesis, crucial for skin elasticity and repair, and may help with conditions like dry skin, eczema, and irritation. When applied topically, avocado oil's antioxidants protect against damage from ultraviolet UV radiation, potentially reducing premature aging from sun exposure. It also supports wound healing and can soothe inflamed or sensitive skin. Hair care benefits are equally compelling. Avocado oil nourishes the scalp and hair strands by sealing in moisture, reducing breakage, and improving manageability. Its vitamins help strengthen hair follicles, reducing hair loss and promoting shine. This versatility makes avocado oil valuable beyond cooking, extending its health impact into daily beauty routines. Calories and usage caution. But if avocado oil is so healthy, why should one exercise caution? First, avocado oil is calorie dense, like all oils, containing about 120 calories per tablespoon. Overconsumption without adjusting overall caloric intake can lead to unintended weight gain, so moderation is essential even with healthy fats. Second, the quality and cooking method matter. Poor quality avocado oil or heated oil above its smoke point, approximately 270 degrees Celsius or 520 degrees Fahrenheit for refined oil, can degrade, forming potentially harmful compounds that negate its health benefits. Selecting high-quality, preferably cold-pressed oils and using them within safe cooking temperatures preserves nutrition and minimizes risks. Where does avocado oil fit in a healthy diet? Given avocado oil's premium price compared to some other cooking oils, the question arises, is it really worth it? For those seeking a rich source of monounsaturated fats along with antioxidants, avocado oil stands out as a valuable addition to the diet. It complements other healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Its mild flavor makes it ideal for salad dressings, marinades, dips, and low to medium heat cooking. However, it shouldn't be viewed as a miracle cure or diet shortcut. Using avocado oil as part of a varied, balanced diet, one rich in whole foods and diverse fat sources, maximizes its benefits. The takeaway: a versatile, beneficial fat, but not a magic bullet. So, is avocado oil the next culinary superfood? It certainly offers diverse health benefits, from cardiovascular support to skin and hair care. These effects are supported by scientific studies and centuries of traditional use in some regions. But like all foods, its benefits come from consistent, balanced use paired with an overall healthy lifestyle. Emphasizing quality, appropriate quantity, and suitable cooking methods unlocks the real potential of avocado oil. The surprising health effects of avocado oil lie not in any single claim or fad, but in its versatility as a nutrient-rich natural fat source that supports multiple aspects of well-being. If you found this video interesting, smash that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time, and thanks for watching.